Kia ora, I'm Nganeko, and this is I Got You by Split Enz. I got you, that's a whole lot. I would forget, but that's a whole lot. I don't go out now that you're here. Sometimes we shout, but that's no problem. I don't know why. Sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes. You can tell that I'm not lying. Look at you. You're her pageant. You're everything that I've imagined. Something's wrong. I feel uneasy. Will you show me? Tell me you're not teasing. I don't know why. Sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes and tell that I'm not lying. I don't know why. Sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes and tell that I'm not lying. There's no doubt. Now when I'm with you, when I'm without, I stay in my room. Where do you go? I get no answer. You're always out. It gets on my nerves. I don't know why. Sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes and tell that I'm not lying. I don't know why. Sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes and tell me you're not lying.